Hello everyone, myself Rajudash and my ID is on 4235729 and my supervisor is India Strafali sir, and I am working on a project called Virtual Mouse using hand gesture recognition. It's just like when we shaking our finger, the mouse working is just like that. So next we see, and we will our this description and next it. Introduction of our project is computer technology continues to develop and people have some smaller and smaller electronic device, and the devices are increasing day by day. And in our project we proposed a novel approach that uses a video device to control the mouse without control the mouse, just only your finger shaking, with no need to wire mouse or another touchpad. For this, we employ several image processing algorithms to implement this. Next, project scope. Our project scope for when sometimes mouse are not working, physical mouse not working, or laptop touchpad is not comfortable, then our project is came from that problem. And it is a real-time application and user-friendly application. The project removes the requirement of having a physical mouse. Especially goals and objectives. Goals is it's reduce our hardware cost, and goals goal to manage is manage the device with gesture rather than helpful for pointing or clicking mouse and touching the display directly. Uh, Stakeholders. What are the stakeholders of this project? Who are the stakeholders of this project? Suppose all technical people who are using computers and any other PCs in working. Sometimes our mouse is bored. It's this invention gives them some enjoyment. So all people of technical area, they need this. So, and problem statement. To design virtual mouse which detects and hand gesture patterns instead of physical mouse. Basically, we use color tip detection captured by webcam and performs image grayscale and YBRCR grayscale, and utilization of virtual mouse appears to space saving situations or in movement situation. Then literature surveys. For this we use human interaction systems is an area research and practice that emerged in the early 90s. It is too old area, but then comes gesture recognition. Gesture recognition is a mathematical interpretation of a human motion by a computing device. Suppose using palm, using glove, and then comes our idea, it's finger to use a mouse. It's architecture first, display result, then give input. There's three types of layer: interface layer, process layer, data manipulation layer, and data layer. And first we take input, then gesture and recognition, then correction the noise, and convert the gesture in meaningful command. Then the command working as a mouse in the pieces. Design. Hey, design is first take image, then resize the image, segmentation the image, and denoise it, and we center the palm of our hand, and then it's make the radius of the palm, and then it take the area of the finger, how many long of every finger, then it differentiate how many fingers are there, and then take it get the tips and control the mouse in pieces, just like that. When we shaking this mouse, this is working just like that. Then comes the design part. Image resize fast, then segmentation is separate the complex background and RGB color, then it's make the image in binary, just like that. And then comes the not denoise. Sometimes we saw the noise, and then we denoise the all the uh, all the pixels and which are not eroded. And finding the center of the palm, finding the center of the palm and finding the and finding the center of the palm, and we take the radius of the palm, and then uh, take the radius of the palm and draw the article, increasing the radius of the circle from the center coordinate until the circle meets the first black pixel. Finding fingertip. Then when the radius is count, then we take fingertip. Every fingertip is the value of 1 with in our project. Then we are working on various type of mouse work, taking the command from the finger. One is suppose on finger is for shaking mouse pointer, the two is clicking, and three left clicking, and down, and some of is scrolling. Oh, hardware and software requirement. We are using MATLAB image processing. We are need to a webcam and open, and just we're also using OpenCV for this project. Next, this is the advantage of the products: reduce hardware cost, framework may be useful controlling different types of games, and other applications depend on control through all other different gestures. The main advantage of using gestures: interacting with the computer as a non-contact human compute input modality. This is the main advantages of this project. This is the limitation. The present system is most feasible and user friendly. And another important aspect is related to development countable design of an independent gesture vocabulary framework. The color detection algorithm can cause detection problem if an other color double in working domain of webcam. Future scope. In future we plan for add more features as an enlarging and scanning windows, closing windows by using the palm and multiple fingers, and we can do open browser and drivers etc by using our hand recognition. And our work done, studied the existing system available information to understand, hence proposed a new system. Main purpose to eliminate a physical constraint and adaptability. A literature survey in relation to various contexts was done. Implementation work has been started. We are working on some code, and then we work the research paperwork, and some it's a conclusion. We are developing a system to control the mouse in the real-time camera. Features such as enlarging and shrinking windows, closing window etc by using palm and multiple fingers. However, it is difficult to get stable result because of a variety of lighting and skin colors and human races. The system is based on computer vision algorithm and can do all mouse tasks. Thank you all, and bye.